Good afternoon, my name is Tom Brintzenhofe, Certified Master Mechanic out of Reading, Pennsylvania, and today we're going to talk about how to check your car's fluids. The easiest way to do it is, if you don't know, check your owner's manual. Otherwise I'm going to walk through this real quick with you. All vehicle locations are a little different, so you can consult with your owner's manual. It'll tell you where everything is. Most of the dipsticks are all marked. Check your oil. You want to make sure the engine is off and nice and warmed up. Wipe your dipstick off, stick it back in there, bring it out. It should be up to your full mark. They're all marked on here. They're really easy to read. If they're not marked, they usually have two holes in them. You have one for low, one for high. This one's right where it needs to be. Check your transmission fluid. It must be running and up to a warm temperature. Check this while it's running. Watch your hand around the fan blades. You don't want to get caught up in there. But this one, the same thing. You have two marks here for your cold level. Two marks here for your hot level, and like I said, it's got to be running to check it and in park. We're up to where we need to be on this one. Stick that one back in there. We've got our overflow bottle here for your antifreeze. We have two marks on the inside. You got a full and a low. You want to make sure there's somewhere in between them. Always check it when it's good and hot, because it normally will show low when it's nice and cold, because the antifreeze does expand. You have your power steering fluid. Again, you want to check it when it's hot. But a lot of times you'll see marks on here for hot and cold. They're at the top for your high level, your hot level, and your cold level is right here. Wipe it off, stick it in, turn it, pull it out. We're right there on the high level, so we're good. You got your washer fluid level right here, your bottle. You just want to put a little bit in there, top it off. Just bring that up to about 2 inches below the top, and you're good to go there. Then you got your master cylinder up here. You got two marks on the side of it. You have a low mark, a minimum, and you have a maximum. And just make sure it's somewhere in between there. Don't ever let it go below the minimum mark. That's just an unsafe level. But normally it will fall in between. As your brake pads wear down, you will see your fluid level drop as the pistons expand. But that's all there is to it, is to checking and filling your fluids.